everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to turn every lead into a conversation with AI automation. So let's suppose I am running a real estate business and I am receiving many queries on my WhatsApp. I was manually replying to all of the queries and this was consuming a lot of my time, so I've completely automated this process and I have created an AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow, which is automating all my WhatsApp conversation. Now with the help of this AI agent, whenever a user sends me a message, automatically the reply will be sent based on the query which user has sent to me. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can create an AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow, and I have created this AI agent which we are going to check once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send a message like, so this is my question, hey, could you please share all the properties? I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply, how my AI agent which I have created is going to reply to this question. And here I have received this message. I can certainly help with that. However, a bit more information to provide you with comprehensive list of properties. Could you please specify the type of property, your budget range, any preferred location? So I'm going to write residential, and then the second is budget. So I'm going to write $50,000 and then any preferred location. So in this location, I'm going to write any, send this message. Let's wait for the next reply. So here it has sent me the list. Location is this, property type is 1-bedroom apartment, price is this much, then the details. Then again the location is this, the property type, the price is this and the detail, and then the location, property type, price and detail. Now would you like more information or any of these options or to schedule a site visit? I'm going to write, these properties are small, please share more. I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. So here it has sent me this message. I understand you're looking for larger option. Here are some additional residential properties around your budget of $50,000. So the location is this, 2-bedroom. Then the price is this much, details, the outskirts location, the property type, the price is this much, and then another location, another property, and the price is this much. Now, would you like to know more about these properties or schedule a site visit? I'm going to write schedule a visit and let's send this message. Let's wait for the reply. So here it has sent me, please let me know your preferred date and time for the site visit and I'll arrange it for you. So I'm going to write the date as 26/10/2025 in the morning. So I'm going to send this message and it is going to reply to me accordingly. Now these are the replies which I'm getting from the knowledge base which I have created while creating this AI agent. So it says I'll schedule the visit for 26th October 2025 in the morning. What time would you prefer? So I'm going to write 10 a.m. and send this message. So this AI is scheduling my visit. It is replying to all the queries. It is answering my question. And here I have received this message. Your site visit is scheduled for 10 a.m. on this date. So this is how my AI agent is actively replying to all of the conversation. And now if you want to learn how you can create this too, then let's start creating this from the beginning. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can create the AI agent to automate all our WhatsApp conversation using Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser, and after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. Before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow access now. and it has taken me towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. You can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. To add your own WhatsApp number to your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this Add WhatsApp number, click on this WhatsApp Connect, and connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow account, or you can use a manual token. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can do this, then please check out the link given in the description. On the left-hand side, where you can see all these options, we have this inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log settings, and get help. We have created detailed and dedicated videos on all of these features, so you can check out the link of these videos in the description below. Now we are going to create an AI assistant, and to do that, we have to go towards this AI assistant. So let's open this. Here I have landed towards the AI assistant page. You can see the total AI assistant, active AI assistant, and the inactive AI assistant. So these are the active AI assistant which are active on some charts. To create a new AI assistant, you simply need to click on this Add AI Assistant. Let's open this. So first we are going to name this AI assistant. I'm going to name it as AI agent for my real estate business. I'm simply going to click on this Add AI Assistant. And here I have landed towards this page. From here, we are going to start creating this AI assistant. First, we have this AI instructions, and under these instructions, we are going to select the instruction type. You can see in this drop down all the instructions we have. I'm going to select the instruction type as AI agent. As soon as I select this AI agent, you can see the instructions are automatically updated. You can update these instructions according to your choice, preference, and requirement. Also, I'm going to keep it as this only. Next, we have this AI configuration. So you see, set how creative the AI answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. So if you go from 0 to 10, you are going to get more creative responses. So I'm going to keep it as 0.7. I'm going to select my AI to use as OpenAI, and then I'm going to select my model as GPT-4o Mini. I'm going to update my API key. Now over here in the help desk, you can see OpenAI use API key for authentication. Kindly visit your, then a hyperlink is provided to get the API key that you need to enter here. I'm going to click on this hyperlink and I will be landed towards the API keys page. To create a new API token, I simply need to click on this create new secret key. First, I have to provide the key name. So let's say the key is test. The project will be default project. The permissions will be all, and then I simply need to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to me, which I need to copy and simply paste that over here. Now here I have already generated the API key, which I'm going to paste. And after adding this API key, you simply need to click on this connect. Now please make sure when you add your API key, you have to click on this connect, otherwise it won't be saved. And here OpenAI key saved successfully. So if I scroll down, I have this AI assistant settings. If you want to add the header message, you can do that. And then if you want to add the footer message, just like that, you have to toggle on this button and enter the footer message. For now, I'm going to keep it off. Then we have the stop keyword. So enter the keyword that user can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. So I'm going to enter stop, press enter, and this is how I have added the stop keyword. So if the AI assistant is replying to them and they want to stop the replies, they can simply enter stop, and the AI assistant will stop replying to their chat. So I'm going to keep the keyword for now as 1 only. If you want to increase or decrease the retry attempt, then you can do that from here. Specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant failed to respond. Valid range is 1 to 10. So if your AI is unable to reply, you can increase or decrease the retry attempt. I'm going to keep it as off. Then we have this fallback message. So enter the message to display when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. So if the API is not responding, I'm not going to get the response from this AI agent, then the fallback message will be sent. So this is the fallback message. I'm going to keep it as default message. If you want to add and update this fallback message, you can do that. You can add your company details, your contact details, like that. So I'm going to keep the fallback message as this. Here we are done with the first step of adding the AI instructions. Moving on towards this knowledge source. So we have this knowledge source of upload file. I'm going to select the upload file. I'm going to click on this cloud and then I'm going to upload the file. So I have already downloaded. I've created the file which I'm going to open and upload. I'm going to show you the document which I've created now. So this is the knowledge base which I have uploaded over here, and I have created this. So this is the knowledge base which I have created with some dummy details. You have to add your own complete details. First I have added the business context, the core workflow, the qualification question, and then I have this lead scoring, the routing and action, site visit scheduling, sample AI conversation, and then the real estate specific questions, analytics matrix. And you see, if I open my WhatsApp, the AI agent was replying to all my questions and my queries according to the knowledge base which I have created here. So this is the knowledge base which I have uploaded. You can create a very detailed knowledge base and upload that in this knowledge source section, and your AI is going to reply to all the customer queries accordingly. Now we have this AI interface, so you can change the brand name from here and it will start reflecting over here. If you want to display the subheading message, you can do that. I'm going to keep it as same. If you remove this, it will be removed from here, so I'm going to keep it as same. Then we have this initial message. So my AI is going to send this message: hi there, how can I help you today? So you can add 2 initial messages, but over here your AI is also going to reply what you have added in your knowledge source. So it is not important that the initial messages will be same only. Now if you want to enable this powered by Pabbly, you can keep it enable or you can keep it disable, and it will be removed from here. I'm going to keep it enable. Then we have this footer text. I have entered the privacy policy and the footer link of this privacy policy. You can enter according to your choice and preference. The user first messages: I need help. So whenever a user sends this message, my AI agent is going to start replying to that user, but it is not necessary that whenever this message is sent, only then the replies will be sent. It will be sent on any message. Moving on towards the next step, this is the final one, which is styling. So over here, I have selected a light mode. You can select the dark mode. You can change the assistant shape from circle to square to rounded square like this, and it will change from here. I'm going to keep the theme as light and the assistant shape as circle. You can change the background color, text color. Then we have the button color, chat bubble color. You can change from here. You can upload the header profile picture, and then you can also upload the assistant profile picture in a very similar manner. In a way, we have uploaded the knowledge base. If you want to remove this background picture, you can remove that or you can change that. So here we are done with creating this AI agent. After creating this, we have to make sure that we toggle on this button to keep this AI agent active, and then we save this. If we do not save this, all this will be lost. So AI assistant saved successfully. Now after creating this, there is a very important step which we need to follow. Now I'm going to activate this AI agent to a particular chat. To do that, I'm going to go towards the inbox on the left hand side. And then this was my conversation. This was the latest conversation. So I'm going to click on this choose AI assistant, and then I'm going to choose the AI assistant which I've created, AI agent for my real estate business, and then save this. And then my AI assistant will be active on this particular chat. But activating AI assistant on particular chats will be a very tedious and a illogical task. So on the left hand side where you can see all these options, I'm going to click on the settings and then open this inbox settings. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Here I have landed towards this inbox settings. If I scroll down, I have this option of enable AI auto replies. First, I'm going to disable this so that I can show you how it is done. And now AI auto reply disabled on all chats. Now I'm going to enable this. So as I enable this, over here I have this contact list. If I see this drop down, I have created one list, and then we have all contacts. Now you can select the particular list of contacts which you have created and choose the AI assistant. I'm going to select the AI assistant as this AI agent for my real estate business, and you can add more rules. You can create separate list and assign separate AI assistant to these charts, or you can simply select all contacts and assign that AI assistant to all the contacts. Save this, and in this manner you will be able to activate this AI assistant to all the chats or the conversation. So now to check this one last time, I'll open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send a message like, do you help with home loans? I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. And here it is. I have received this reply. Absolutely, we have tie-ups with leading banks for financing. Would you like me to connect you with our loan advisor for more details? So I'm going to write yes, and let's wait for the reply. So this is how my AI agent is replying to all my conversation. Great, please provide me with your preferred contact details and I'll contact you with our loan advisor right away. So this is the knowledge base which I have uploaded and my AI agent is replying to me according to the knowledge base which I have uploaded and created. So this is how we have created this AI agent. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. If you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below. So I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.